Hi, I'm Amber and you're watching I'm a Girly, and today we finally get to meet I'm a Wow Ava. Look at her packaging! It comes with fun crafting templates. We can make Ava some butterfly wings. And you've guessed it, today's video is a crafting challenge. Now here are some cool facts about Ava. Not only is she this super cute ballerina with this sequin shirt, adorable pink tutu and stunning silver boots, her body is made from recyclable plastic. And she has special colour-changing hair. Now, we've got no sunshine today, but here is what happens. How cool is that? Now, inspired by our adorable friend Ava, I've set us a crafty challenge. Let's see if we can make a no-sew, recycled colour change purse. Okay, for this we need some pieces of scrap material in 2 different colours. We also need some fabric glue, some scissors, a pencil, some ribbon, and a piece of elastic. Now here's a tip, if you have an old scrunchie that's past its best, you can always use the elastic inside of it. Now today's challenge is super easy and something you can follow along with at home. So first of all, we need to line up our 2 pieces of scrap material. I've glued the centre to keep them together, and draw a circle on one of the sides. I'm using a plate as a template as I've not got a steady hand. Then, you've guessed it, we need to carefully cut around the circle using our scissors under adult supervision. Okay, this is probably the most tricky part of the challenge, or should I say, the sticky part. Next, we just need to fill in the centre of one of the circles with some glue, and just be aware to leave the outside edge of the circle completely glue-free. While the glue is drying, measure out and cut a small piece of ribbon using your I'm a Girly doll's arm as a guide, then stick it to the outer edge of the fabric like so. Then we need to get our elastic and place it around the inside of the 2 pieces of material. We need to very carefully glue the very outer edge of our fabric. Just be careful not to get any glue in your elastic. As you can see, I'm gluing and pressing as I make my way around and stopping at the ribbon so we leave a small opening. Now that the fabric is completely dry, we can pull on the elastic and tie a knot, which will just tuck into the small opening out of the way. And there we have it, Ava's no-sew, recycled, colour change purse. We can turn it inside out and switch it up, just like we can switch up Ava's style. What a cool accessory, perfect for storing Ava's belongings. Now, if you didn't already know, I'm a Girly is made by kids for kids, and there are lots more awesome videos to enjoy, so remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when the next one is out. And look out for our giveaway, where one lucky subscriber will win their very own I'm a Girly prize. Now, I'm going to have a go at the craft template on Ava's packaging, so for now, I will see you all later. Bye!